Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2017 Set A IEO question paper for class 6 students. And first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 25, choose the most suitable word or phrase to complete each sentence. Example, I am so exhausted as I went running today. Tomorrow I will need a rest. Exhausted means very tired. 1. I dash my toys when I was a child. Loved, love, will love, am loving. The answer is A. Loved. I loved my toys when I was a child. 2. Dash that they have opened the new library. I can get new books to read. Ever, since, when, now. The answer is B. Now. Now that they have opened the new library, I can get new books to read. 3. There were dash people on the bus. Many, hundreds, none, a lot. The answer is A. Many. There were many people on the bus. 4. I am going on holiday today and I dash pack my bags. Must, haven't, have, mustn't. The answer is A. Must. I am going on holiday today and I must pack my bags. 5. Sunil wrote a or an dash for fee concession to his principal. Offer, request, application, notice. The answer is C. Application. 6. He was dashed that he had not missed the bus. Hopping, hoping, hoped, hopped. The answer is B. Hoping. He was hoping that he had not missed the bus. 7. I must dash with you. It's sad that your team lost. Summarize, commensurate, undulate, empathize. The answer is D. Empathize. I must empathize with you. It's sad that your team lost. Empathize means understand and share the feelings of another. 8. He has forgotten his meeting. He was just late. Has, hadn't, wasn't, was. The answer is B. Hadn't. He hadn't forgotten his meeting. He was just late. 9. Kavita seemed very dash when I told her about my trip to Kerala. Interesting, interests, interested, interest. The answer is C. Interested. Kavita seemed very interested when I told her about my trip to Kerala. 10. 5 years have passed. Dash Lena left school. Since, for, because, before. The answer is A. Since. 5 years have passed since Lena left school. 11. I am lost. Dash you know how to get to the main road from here. Do, will, have, did. The answer is A. Do. I am lost. Do you know how to get to the main road from here? 12. I am going to stay here. Dash ahead without me. You went, you go, you goes, you come. The answer is B. You go. I am going to stay here. You go ahead without me. 13. When I draw a building, I need to make sure that it has the right dash. Dowling, dimensions, droids, dentures. The answer is B. Dimensions. When I draw a building, I need to make sure that it has the right dimensions. 14. I dash ask you to come to my hostel, but then I had to go home urgently. Shall, would have, was going to, would have, had. The answer is C. Was going to. I was going to ask you to come to my hostel, but then I had to go home urgently. 15. He has hurt his knee, so he does playing cricket. Wasn't, was, isn't, is. The answer is C. Isn't. He has hurt his knee, so he isn't playing cricket. 16. When I was teaching, the children kept dash to interrupt me. Try, tried, trying, to try. The answer is C. Trying. When I was teaching, the children kept trying to interrupt me. 17. I am convinced dash Rahul's innocence. Of, at, for, on. The answer is A. Of. I am convinced of Rahul's innocence. 18. I hope she does remember to bring her sports bag. Has, was, is, will. The answer is A. Has. I hope she has remembered to bring her sports bag. 19. For a speedy recovery, you dash take the medicine every day. The options are ought to, shall, would, can. The answer is A. Ought to. For a speedy recovery, you ought to take the medicine every day. 20. When he was younger, he dashed that basket through the market. Carries, is carrying, carried, carry. The answer is C. Carried. When he was younger, he carried that basket through the market. 21. He will dash his head down on the pillow. Laying, laid, lie, lies. The answer is C. Lie. He will lie his head down on the pillow. 22. My grandma advised me dash animals. That be kind of, to be kind to, that to be kind for be kind to. The answer is B. To be kind to. My grandma advised me to be kind to animals. 23. We needed a dash to make the boat move. Propel, pert, port, puddle. The answer is D. Puddle. We needed a puddle to make the boat move. Puddle means oar. 24. Under the tree there are lots of dash. Fundy, fungi, fungus, fungal. The answer is B. Fungi. Under the tree there are lots of fungi. 25. I dash have gone to the theatre tonight if I had managed to get a ticket. Should, would, should have, will. The answer is B. Would. I would have gone to the theatre tonight if I had managed to get a ticket. 26. Choose the word with the incorrect spelling. Ambiguity, bestow, opaque, audacious. The incorrect spelling is A. And this is the correct spelling. We have to remove this I. Ambiguity means inexactness or double talk. Next topic is reading. For questions 27 to 33, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. First, you read the given paragraph carefully, then you will answer the questions. (27) Choose the most suitable title for the passage. You read the given options. The answer is D. Tourism in India, cultural as well as exotic. Exotic means foreign. 28. The passage states that there are many things that tourists want to experience when they visit India. The most popular choice or choices include or includes dash, the Taj Mahal and Delhi, the cuisine and wildlife, the culture and its festivities, and elephant ride. The answer is given here. One site that is very popular is the Taj Mahal in Agra. However, Delhi is the city most visited by those from abroad, and at the southern end of the country, Tamil Nadu is the most visited state. So the answer is A, the Taj Mahal and Delhi. 29. According to the passage, people take photos of wild animals, themselves with animals, friends and family, hotels. The answer is given here. They take photos of themselves with the animals and show them to their friends and family. So the answer is B, themselves with animals. 30. Why is tourism good for India? It contributes to 10% of country's income. It means there are more hotels. It creates jobs, both A and C. The answer is given here. Tourism is not just good for the tourists, it is good for India too. Almost 10% of the country's income comes from tourism. This industry creates a lot of jobs all over the country in many sectors. So the answer is D, both A and C. 31. What does the passage state as an interesting fact about India's hotels? They may not increase tourism. They make money. There are not enough. There are enough. The answer is given here. It has been reported that there are not enough hotel rooms for all the visitors to India. So the answer is C. There are not enough. 32. What attracts tourists to Tamil Nadu? Wildlife, government promotions, rural culture, cruises. The answer is given here. This last type of tourism is what currently boosts visitor numbers in Tamil Nadu. They travel there to see the wildlife. So the answer is A, wildlife. 33. What do ecotourists like? Proximity to nature, wildlife, involvement in conservation, all of these. The answer is given here. There are also efforts being made by the Indian government to promote new forms of tourism such as rural, cruise, medical and ecotourism. This last type of tourism is what currently boosts visitor numbers in Tamil Nadu. They travel there to see the wildlife. Here people have the chance to get close to nature and get involved in conservation. So the answer is D, all of these. For questions 34 to 40, read the email and fill in the blanks with correct options. You first read the given paragraph. Hi Ravi, how are you? I am Das, a new restaurant in the old quarter of town. 34, the options are changing, opening, delivering, eating. The answer is B, opening. How are you? I am opening a new restaurant in the old quarter of town. I am planning to dash both Indian and Western food. 35. The options are cooks, cook, cooking, cooked. The answer is B, cook. I am planning to cook both Indian and Western food. After the cookery dash in Paris, I think I can manage. 36. The options are course, temple, menu, book. The answer is A, course. After the cookery course in Paris, I think I can manage. It will attract more dash. 37. The options are visit tourist people option. The answer is C, people. It will attract more people. It still needs to be dash. 38. The options are limited, decorated, scattered, slaughtered. The answer is B, decorated. It still needs to be decorated. I am not sure what color I will paint the walls yet. I hope that maybe you can help with this as you work in a paint shop. In return, I will invite you to the grand opening when all is dash. 39. The options are complete, correct, undone, digress. The answer is A. Complete. I will invite you to the grand opening when all is complete. Let me know if you can supply some paint and I will come and select a color. Even if you can't, I hope you will come and taste the dash food I will make. 40. The options are delectable, bland, delighted, insipid. The answer is A. Delectable. Delectable means delicious. Even if you can't, I hope you will come and taste the delectable food I will make. Let me know if you can make it. I hope you can. David. Once again, I will show the full paragraph. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 41 to 45, choose the most suitable option for each conversation. 41. Rohit. Wow, is it already done? Karan. Yes, the task was completed quickly because the girl was very dash. Apathetic, pessimistic, callous, cooperative. The answer is D. Cooperative. 42. Teacher. You must always be dash for my lessons. Student. Okay, sir. The options are envious, gradual, ginormous, punctual. The answer is D. Punctual. Teacher. You must always be punctual for my lessons. Student. Okay, sir. 43. Jack. Do you know the famous pop group Asmon is performing in our city? Sony. Oh, really? I'm an dash fan of that pop group. Advent, ardent, arid, averted. The answer is B. Ardent. Oh, really? I'm an ardent fan of that pop group. Ardent means very enthusiastic or passionate. 44. Teacher. Hurry, have you finished your sums? Hurry, mumbling. Mumbling means speaking in a quiet way. Teacher. What happened? Has the dash got your tongue? B. Cat, dog, snake. The answer is B. Cat. What happened? Has the cat got your tongue? 45. Nina. This is a secret. You can't tell anyone. Lisa. I won't. My lips are dash. Cemented, sealed, closed, ready. The answer is B. Sealed. I won't. My lips are sealed. Next topic is Achiever section. For questions 46 to 48, choose the correct word to complete each sentence. 46. That man in the shop was so rude. He made me mandate, abbreviate, irate, devastate. The answer is C. Irate. Irate means angry. 47. I heard to turn the music off. It was articulated, anecdotal, atrocious, annotated. The answer is C. Atrocious. Atrocious means unpleasant or extremely bad. 48. I was expecting Garima to get influenced by her peers because I know how dash she is. Noxious, pliant, obstinate, ductile. The answer is B. Pliant. Pliant means easily influenced or easily bent. 49. Choose the word with incorrect spelling. You read the given options carefully and the answer is D. After D, letter I will come instead of E. Indigenous means native. 50. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Pavan. Thanks for the party. The food was really dash. Ria. I'm glad you enjoyed. Obligatory, assimilated, scrupulous, scrumptious. The answer is D. Scrumptious. Scrumptious means delicious. So my dear students, today we have completed 2017 Set A IUO question paper for class 6 students. If you have any doubt, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.